Hey everyone, welcome back to Read Natural Supply, where we make simple, delicious recipes from scratch. Today we're making something super fun, homemade birthday cake graham crackers. They're naturally sweetened, full of that classic birthday cake flavor, and perfect for snacking or s'mores. If you love easy homemade treats, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun recipes. Now let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of wheat flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a dash of cinnamon. The cinnamon is optional, but it adds a nice depth of flavor. No, we're gonna go and have a banana or an apple. Now take a 1/4 cup of cold butter, cut into small cubes, and work it into the dry ingredients using a pastry cutter, your hands, or a fork until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. In a separate bowl, mix together 1/3 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/3 cup whole milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon almond extract. Pour this into the dry mixture and stir until the dough forms. You may have to knead it, the dough is very stiff. Now for the fun part. Add a 1/4 cup of rainbow sprinkles. Make sure you're using jimmies and not nonpareils for this. And gently fold them into the dough. This gives the graham crackers that classic birthday cake look. Lightly flour a surface and roll the dough out to 1/8 inch thick. Cut into rectangles or use fun cookie cutter shapes. For classic graham cracker look, use a fork to poke a few holes in each cracker. Place the crackers on your prepared baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool completely. This is when they crisp up. Once cooled, enjoy them as a snack, dunk them in milk, or use them for the most funfetti packed s'mores ever. And there you have it, homemade birthday cake graham crackers that are crispy, naturally sweet, and so delicious. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another fun homemade recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.